For Learning Unit 3, we're going to start off by looking at some controversies in food safety. And really the goal with this is to kind of teach you or to re-emphasize to you the importance of critical thinking, of using reputable research and literature in order to kind of guide your thought process with it all. But some of the things that we're going to look at are going to be food additives, antibiotics in animal feed. We're going to look a little bit at antibiotic resistance in bacteria, so how that happens, why that's of concern. Pesticides, we're going to look at beef and dairy hormones that are used and why those are used. And then we're going to look at some genetically engineered foods, some foods that are genetically engineered, why those are done. And then along with that, we're going to look at food allergies. And we're going to look at the difference with allergies and intolerances. And with allergies, food allergies, you're going to have that true immune response. Whereas with intolerance, you're just going to have more other body symptoms that are going to respond. So that's going to be more of like your GI discomfort, those types of things. But with a food allergy, you're going to have that true immune response that kicks in. And then we're going to end the unit looking at seafood toxins, which is not one of the controversial topics in food safety, but it is an important one in food safety as a whole. So we'll take a look at some different seafood toxins, how those come about, and ways that they can be prevented, and how you can prevent yourself from becoming contaminated with those. And for Unit 3, you're going to have 3 assignments, and you're going to have a test, and you're also going to have discussion post. Now, one thing that's a little bit different about Learning Unit 3 is one of your assignments is going to be a research paper. And there's information about that on Blackboard that gives further detail, but basically you're going to have the opportunity to dive into one of these controversial topics in food safety a little bit deeper and do some research on your own that takes you further than what we discuss in the course, and present your findings and your thoughts on that. So that is a little bit different, so make sure that you allow yourself enough time to work on that, since it is an actual research paper. So you're going to need a little bit more time to do it, but I hope that it's something that you can find interesting and that you can find worthwhile, and it will help you with learning how to research topics and kind of knowing what might be a slanted site, what might not be slanted, and being able to identify those and discuss them and address them as being as such. So if there are any questions about Learning Unit 3, please let me know, but otherwise go ahead and get started, and good luck. Thank you.